In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture email IDs of respondents automatically in Paperform. Let's walk through the steps together, making sure every part of the process is clear and easy to understand. Paperform is a tool that helps you create beautiful forms with ease, and capturing email addresses effectively is essential for staying connected with your audience or customers. So let's jump right in. Start by opening your form in the Paperform editor. This is your workspace where you can add, edit, and manage all the components of your form. Once you're in the editor, find the spot where you'd like to add a new question. When you're ready, click on the plus button. This button is your gateway to adding new questions or sections to your form, ensuring a seamless user experience for respondents. Next, you'll need to specify the type of question you're adding. Since we're focusing on capturing email addresses, select email as the question type. By doing this, you're telling Paperform that responses to this question must be formatted as an email address, helping to prevent any input errors. Type your question text, such as enter your email address. This ensures clarity for your respondents, letting them know exactly what information you need from them. Now, if you want to ensure that every respondent provides their email address, you can make this question mandatory. To do this, simply toggle the required option. Once enabled, this means that the form cannot be submitted without an email being entered, guaranteeing that you capture this crucial piece of data every time. For those of you looking for an extra layer of convenience, consider enabling an optional feature in the settings, collect emails automatically. What this does is pre-fill the email address for any users who are signed in while filling out your form. It's a neat feature that can save time and ensure accuracy, particularly helpful if you're dealing with a lot of repeat visitors or familiar contacts. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to capture email IDs of respondents automatically in Paperform. By following these steps, you'll ensure your forms are set up to collect email addresses efficiently and effectively, thus enhancing your communication capabilities. Remember, keeping your data collection organized and straightforward not only benefits you, but also provides a smoother experience for your respondents. Happy form building, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.